cold, cold rain. I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you.
Hello everybody. Anyways, hello everybody. Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So today I'll be showcasing bedsitters ranging from 6,000 to 8,000 shillings. Make sure to watch the video till the end, but before we get to the video, I had to make sure I showcase my face today so that you can see the excitement on my face. We are already at 1,000 subscribers. Yay, 1,000 subscribers. So before we head to 2,000 subscribers, let us enjoy the moment. So leo hakuna subscribe no, we are just going to get to the video. Enjoy the video. In today's video we'll be looking at 5 different bed sitters going from 6,000 Kenyan shillings to 7,500 Kenyan shillings. So this is the cheapest one, going for 6,000 Kenyan shillings. So we just go like that. The first one is 6,000, then 6,500, then 7,000, then 7,500. So what I love most about this house is that it's spacious.
Standing in the cold, cold rain. I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away.
And easy to arrange. It also has good lighting, considering it has 2 windows.
Pain, anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
So in the house we'll be looking first. When you enter, the first thing you see is the front window, and on your right hand you're going to have your washroom. On your left hand is the kitchen area with a kitchen cabinet on it.
Standing in the cold, cold rain. I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled.
The bedsitter has 2 windows, and what I love most about the bedsitter is the space of the house.
What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you.
So you can easily notice that in Kasarani bedsitters you rarely find wardrobes.
Controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the.
So this extension can fit a 6x6, and the house will still be easy to arrange. So you can still fit in a 5-seater and have space to move around.
Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you.
So there is hot shower provided, and considering it's a 6,000 house, 6,000 Kenyan shillings house, hey, this is just a bonus house. So this is the kitchen area, and the only disadvantage about this house is the sink of the kitchen and nothing else.
I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here.
So next let's look at the washroom of the house.
Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you.
The space is also good.
What's the point in our reflection if you.
And I love the fact that the house has been maintained well. So you have a sink inside your washroom.
Standing in the cold, cold rain. I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step.
And water per unit is 100 shillings only.
Standing in the cold, cold rain. I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it.
So just looking at it as we finish the house, that is the kitchen area.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying.
I'm also looking for a place to relocate. And maybe I might relocate to one of these because I'm also looking for a bedsitter ranging from 6 to 8K. Now on to our second house, which is also a bedsitter that is going for 6,500 Kenyan shillings. This is how it looks like, and you can see the kitchen area is slightly different from the other one. I would say what is making it much more than the other one is the balcony and the kitchen area. So this is your washroom. You're also provided with a hot shower. So your kitchen area, then your living area, then the balcony. So let's now have a look at the balcony. This second bedsitter only has one floor, so it's just the ground floor and this first floor. I'm not sure if they're going to continue with the other floors very soon. So your kitchen area. So we have finished the bedsitter for 6,500 Kenyan shillings. The one we are going to go on next is also 6,500 shillings. But too bad I don't have the video, but I only have the pictures of the house. If you're enjoying the video so far, remember to share the video. So this is the next house, that is a 6,500 Kenyan shillings bedsitter. The location of this one is in Hunters, Kasarani. Only disadvantage is that it's far from the road, but it's a very good bedsitter. Only 6,500 shillings. Now to my favorite house. So the reason why it's my favorite, it's because of the space of the house. So from here, just see. It's a bedsitter, but you can see the difference between each and every section of the house. This being your washroom.
Feel the pain, anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from?
Another thing I loved about this house is that it's on the rooftop. So on the rooftop you only have 2 houses. So there is that privacy.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could.
And also the space of the washroom. So you just look at how the washroom is spacious enough.
Standing in the cold, cold rain.
I think this one is going to be the easiest
I don't even
to arrange among them all.
feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you
So the house is going for 7,000 Kenyan shillings, and the location of this one is in Maji Mazuri.
never look in the mirror? Counting
The other good thing about this house is that it's closer to the road.
setting fire to my brain.
So from here you can see the real space of the house.
Wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream. So why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die?
So from this one, the next one we will be looking at is the 7,500 one. Then we are done with the video.
Setting fire to my brain. Wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream. So why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What
And in case you need help in looking for a house or you want something like this one, just reach out to me through the details in the description. So over there is your neighbor.
What's ahead? What happened to ride or die?
Just 2 houses at the rooftop, you and your neighbor.
Standing in the cold, cold rain. I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've
So from the ones I've showcased, which one is your favorite one? Just give me a feedback on the comment section.
pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here.
This is how the outside looks like. And finally we are on the last
Reflection.
bedsitter.
Setting fire to my brain. Wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream. So why are you always sleeping?
This one is going for 7,500 Kenyan shillings.
How I'm to blame. You're
I can't tell the difference between this one and the one that is going for 6,000 Kenyan shillings,
the one who doesn't
apart from the location.
dream. So why are you always sleeping?
So they are both located in Kwamafuta, but the difference is that this one, the 7,500 shillings, is located closer to the road.
To my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream. So why are you always sleeping?
And the one that is going for 6,000 is quite far from the road.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream. So why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just
So that's all about the 5 bed sitters I've been showcasing today. Which one is your favorite?
to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream. So why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything.
And And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like. See you in the next video. Bye bye.